So, who's afraid? We've got fractions. Luckily, these fractions work out actually pretty nicely if you can push away the fear for a second. We have a multi-step equation with variables on each side, so we need to start distributing and combining like terms. Let's see how that goes. We've got parentheses and a number outside, so we know that we're going to be distributing. Now, I guess you have to make sure there's plus or minus in the middle. It's a sum or a difference in those parentheses. But anyway, we're going to distribute there. And let's see, we have to distribute here as well. Let's see how we do. So 1/2 times -4. Well, that would give me -2. And 1/2 times the 6n gives me 3n. We can bring this 1/3 n down. And now we're going to distribute the 2n. So we get plus 2/3 n and plus, now what's 2/3 of 9? 6. If you don't know how to do that, review your multiplying fractions or learn how to type it into your calculator. Next step is to combine some like terms, and oh man, these like terms are so nice. So nice. Squigglies. Let's do squigglies. All right. Nothing to do over here. No like terms. That means terms that have the same variable. And we do have these like terms here. 1/3 plus 2/3 gives us 3/3, which would be 1. So we have 1n plus 6. Now that worked out nicely, right? You don't have to fear those fractions, especially on problems like this where they all work out so nicely. All right, let's get rid of this. Now, there's no distributive. There's no like terms to deal with to combine. So now we can start solving. Our first step when there's variables on each side like this is to cancel out one of those variable terms. That cancels there, leaving me with -2 plus 2n equals 6. Now, since there's variables on just one side, there's a variable on just one side in one spot, I can start using inverse operations. So I cancel out this extra term here, and I get 2n equals 8, and then divide by 2, divide by 2, and I get n equals 4. Woohoo!